So this is my week 7 assignment. I'm sorry, I have a cold right now, so if you have a hard time understanding me. My name is Matthew Gipson. First question is create an array called ages with the following values. So create ages, log it to the console. Next, subtract the value of the first element in the array to the last. So create the variable ages.length minus the ages, 0, the first element of it, log it to the console. Next, add a new age to the array and repeat the step above to assure it's dynamic and sure. So we push the new age, which was 100, logged it to the console, and then basically repeat the same step. So we minus the age push, and then log that to the console. Use the loop to iterate through the array and calculate average age. So we let sum of ages, create the formula. So for let I equals 0, I is less than ages.length, I plus plus. Sum of ages plus equals. Okay. And then we had to create an array called names to contain the following values. So we created names and we put in some names there. Characters 0, we're creating a formula. Use the loop to iterate through the array and calculate average number of letters per name. So characters plus equals names.length. Log the index, name total characters, average name total characters divided by names.length, and then log that to the console, which was the average name. Use the loop to iterate through the array again and concatenate all the names together separated by spaces. So concat names space to the for formula. Concat names is equal to concat names.concat, and then we do the names array. Log that to the console. Access the last element to do last ages.length minus 1, because it starts at 0. So how to access the first element of the array. Log that to the console and just put in ages 0, because that's the first element. Create a new array called name links, write a loop to iterate over the previously created names array and the length of each name. So name links for formula, name links.push, names index.length, console that, log that to the console. Create a new array, write a loop to iterate over name links array and calculate sum. Characters total, do the formula, name links, console.log, and then log the variable. Write function takes two parameters. So there's two parameters. Log those to the console, concat what it is, put on repeat, log that to the console, and then we return to right here. So it'll appear. Function takes two parameters, first name and last name. So we did create a function full name, first name, last name, and then we have full name equal first name space last name. Log that to the console, then return it down here. So I put my name on Matthew Gipson. Take array number returns true if the sum of all numbers in the array is greater than 100. So we created two arrays, created a function, created like the if statement for, so the for formula, the total is greater than 100, true. Else, if it's not true, then it's false. Then we put in the name of the array there. And then to return the average of all the elements in an array. So they calculate number is average. Create the variable, the let total equals 0. Create the for formula, total plus equals array. Let average equal total divided by array length. Log that to the console and return that. Create a function takes two arrays numbers. So we have the two arrays. Log it to the create a function, log it to the console. To the for formula for both of them. Then also an if statement for the averages down here. And then for the last two, if you're going to buy a drink, if it's hot outside, we have money in a pocket. Plug that to the console and create another variable. So if it's hot outside and it's true, and we have more than $10.50 in our pocket, if we buy a drink, that's true, but we only have $7, so we won't buy one. And then I created my own function. So I did if the lines would win, they would lead, no time left. So I have the parameters, if they have the lead, No time left. Because if it's greater than 0, and it'll be on false. So lines didn't win. Thank you.